sorry that I've put you on the back burner. Other matters have occupied my brain. I know that's not an excuse to forget about you, but I guess that's just life some days. So it's more kissable, 'cause that's the spark that we need some days. When you're gone, I'll speak your love language. Acts of service and whatever the other four are. When you get home, you know I love the love we make. But if you need to just kiss, that's okay. I'm good with that. I'm not really into compromising much, but it doesn't really feel that way when it's at the hands of true love. I get so lonely and introspective about my dying days. I know that when I go, I'll go quietly, but I'll rest easy, babe, 'cause I've loved you loudly till I die in days, till the purple haze carries me so far away. What a treasure you are. You're a nice fine wine, but you don't age. And I'll see you again someday. Let's take our time now. Let's not rush it. The clock, it moves too fast. Let's make a melody like the song You say I should journal every day, but I don't. You say if I write things down, then I'll know myself better, but I probably won't. I know that there is something I should do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen this time. I promise I'll listen. But every time you try to give me advice, I always resist. 'Cause in the moment it feels like you're squelching my right to do dumb shit if I wanna. But that's not really what I wanna do. It's the principle that matters. At least that's what I tell myself. But what I really need is, baby, tell me what I'm supposed to do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen. I promise I'll listen this time. You say if I go to therapy, I can move on from my past. But you and I both know we can't afford it, and I don't wanna ask my dad. I guess I'm coming to terms with where I'm at. I really don't want to, but I gotta ask my dad. Healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. Oh, yesterday you drove to Atlanta for your acting class. I told you that I would go, but I have a habit of breaking promises. As soon as you left the house, I sat down on the couch, said a quick prayer for your drive, that you'd make it there alive. But then I thought to myself, well, I really should have gone, because something could really happen and then you'd be gone from my life and home, from my goodbyes and from my hellos. Only God knows how I'd move on, how I'd keep